and it's 5th chapter of the class 10th textbook. Now, let us first understand what is AP or arithmetic progression. List of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number in preceding term. Now, what does this mean? This says that it contains long chain of numbers, or it can be 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 5 number, 10 number, or infinite number, such that the first term will be the basic term and the second term will be either addition or subtraction of some fixed number. Same way, the third number will be addition or subtraction from the second number. So like that we get the chain. Now, by definition you won't understand, so let us understand it by an example. Suppose I take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, if you see this chain, or if you see this, to see here the first term we also call it as A or A1 sometimes. Generally in the formulas they will write A1, but it is also called as A. So that will be the first term of the AP is 1. Now second term, that is A2, is 3. Third term is 5, that is A3. Fourth term A4, that is 7, and fifth term A5, that is 9. Now if you see carefully, see here if I add 2 in this number, if I add 2, I will get this number. So plus 2 I am doing. Again if I add plus 2 in that, I will get 5. If I add plus 2 in that, I will get 7. If I add plus 2 in that, so I will get the next term. Now if 6th term is asked, 6th, 7th, A6 will be 9 plus 2. So that will be 11. 7th term A7, that will be 11 plus 2. So that is 30. So this way I can find out as many terms they have asked me. Now see here, this plus 2 is nothing but it is called as D, that is common difference. Here it is 2. It can be plus, it can be minus, it can be 0. So the fixed number is called common difference of the AP. It can be positive, negative, or 0. Now, this is the main thing in the AP. Now, there are only 3 formulas which you have to remember in the chapter. The first one, now the general formula is A a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. So if they have asked me nth term, so nth term will be a plus n minus 1d. See, why n minus 1? Because here the first term is only a, and from second term d is added in there. Then one more important point you should know, that is, if the terms in AP are finite, then it is called finite AP. Finite AP means if the terms are fixed, or it doesn't, this dot 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 is not done, but only 5 or 7 or 10 fixed number of terms are there, so it is called finite AP. And if it has infinite terms, then it is infinite AP. Then infinite AP won't have last term. Last term means nth term. So you can't say that this will be the last term of the AP. First term we will know, but last term we won't be able to say that this is the last term of the AP. Now let us understand by some examples. Now suppose I am given if A equal to 5, D equal to 2, find 5 terms of AP. So see, what was AP? The general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So here first term will be A, that is 5. Second term A plus D, that will be 5 plus 2, so that will be 7. Third term A plus 2D, that is 5 plus 2 into D, so 2, so 9. Now fourth term will be A plus 3D. See, either I can write it like this, 5 plus 2 or 3 into 2, or I can even do like this, 9 plus 2. Both will be same. It will be 11. See, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, and 9 plus 2, it will be 11. So both the ways I can show the next term. And fifth term will be A plus 4D. So can I say 11 plus 2, so 13. So both the ways I can write the next term. Then second example, if A equal to 5. Now see, why D is always positive, it can be negative also. So here first term will be A, that is 5. Second term was A plus D, so that is 5 plus minus 1, so that will be 4. Third term A plus 2D, so 5 plus 2 into minus 1, that is 5 minus 2, 3. Fourth term A plus 3D. So that will be 5 plus 3 into minus 1. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. And fifth term, A plus 4D. 5 plus 4 into minus 1. That is 5 minus 4. That will be 1. Now if I am asked 6 sum 7 term, so 6 term will be mine 0. So that way I can go on and solve it till as many terms they have asked me. Now suppose I take second example, that is check whether the following are in AP. So see, first one it is given to me 4, 10, 16, 22 dot dot dot. So he has asked me, is it an AP? So see, first term is A, that is 4. Now I am not given D or I am not given D. So how I can find D? See, to find D what I have to do? D equal to A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term. So that will be 10 minus 4, so 6. Now for third one, A3 minus A2 I will do. So I will get 16 minus 10, so that is also 6. Then A4 minus A3, so 22 minus 16, so that is also 6. So therefore it is an AP as common difference D equal to 6. As D is same in all the terms, I can say it is an AP. Now second one, in that I am given minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2. Like this some series is given. So see, here D will be A2 minus A1. So that is 2 minus of minus 2. So that will be 2 plus 2, 4. Now A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 2 minus second term is 2. So this is minus 4. So see, I didn't got D common here. That is, I didn't got 4. So I can say therefore it is not an AP. Directly I can write, because if once I got K term is not satisfying, how I can say, okay, let us check ahead and see, because it didn't came. Now see, this is nothing but your exercise first. So let us start with the exercise now. Now coming to exercise 5.1, question 1, it says, in which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? And first one is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So he is saying that A is, here A will be rupees 15 and D is rupees 8. So he is asking to find the taxi fare. So taxi fare for 1 kilometer equal to rupees 15. That is nothing but A. Taxi fare for 2 kilometer, that is A plus D, that will be rupees 15 plus 8, so rupees 23. Taxi fare for 3 kilometer will be A plus 2D. So A is rupees 15 plus 2 into 8. So that is 15 plus 16, so that is rupees 31. Then taxi fare for 4 kilometer. See, in the for third kilometer I did A plus 2D. Here I am writing A plus 3D, but what I am doing 31 plus 8 I am doing. So that also will be answer will be same. So here I can say, okay, therefore it is an AP as common difference D equal to rupees 8. Then second one, he is saying the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. That means the first term will be my first term is not given, so I can take it will be full. So see how I can do. Let initial volume in cylinder be V liter. So that means A1 is V liter. Now A2 will be A1 plus, every time I am removing 1/4. Removing means negative 1/4V. So this will be V minus 1/4V. So if I do LCM 4, so 4V minus 1V. So that will be 3/4V minus 1/4V of A2. So that is A2. So 3/4V minus 1/4V into 3/4. So if I solve this, so I will get 9/16V. Same way A4 will be A3 plus minus 1/4V of A3. That is coming 27V/60. So therefore it is not an AP as common difference D is not same. Every time D is getting separate values, so it is not an AP. Now coming to the third one, it says the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So here I am given A equal to rupees 150, that is first term is 150. Then I am adding every time rupees 50 for one more meter. So I can say A1 will be rupees 150, A2 will be rupees 150 plus 50 rupees extra for the second meter, so that will be 200 rupees. Then A3 means I can do A2 plus D, so rupees 200 plus rupees 50, so it will be rupees 250. Same way A4 will be rupees 250 plus rupees 50, so that is rupees 300. Therefore it is an AP as D is rupees 50. Always D is coming 50, so it is an AP. Now fourth one, it says the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. At 8% per annum. So here, see, n years the amount of money will be P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. This is the general formula to find amount. Now, see, amount for first year will be 10,000 into 1 plus 3 upon 100. So that will come to 10,800. Now, amount for second year. Now, the amount for the first year will be principal for the second year. So 10,800 plus interest on 10,800. So 10,800 into 1 plus 3 by 100. Sorry, it is 8. So that is coming to 11664. Then amount for third year is 11664 plus 11664 into 1 plus 8 upon 100. So that is coming to rupees 12597.12. So I can say it is not an AP as D is not same. Naturally, it won't be same in the compound interest, but if it would be in simple interest, it would be same. Now, question 2 says, write first 4 terms of an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. So, first one is A equal to 10, D equal to 10. So first term A1 will be 10, A2 will be A1 plus D, that is 10 plus 10, so 20. A3 will be A plus 2D, so that will be 10 plus 2 into 10, so 30. A4 will be A plus 3D, so 10 plus 3 into 10, so that will be 40. A5 will be A plus 4D, that is 10 plus 4 into 10, so that is 50. Second one is A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0. So A1 will be minus 2, A2 will be A plus D, that is minus 2 plus 0, so minus 2. A3 will be A plus 2D, so that will be minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. So therefore first four terms of AP will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus. Then third one, A is 4, D is minus 3. So A1 will be 4, A2 will be A plus D, so that is 4 plus minus 3, so that will be 1. A3 will be 4 plus 2 into D, so that is 4 plus 2 into minus 3, so 4 minus 6, so that is minus 2. A4 is A plus 3D, so that is 4 plus 3, 3. So 4 minus 9, so minus 5. A5 will be A plus 4D, 4 plus 4 into minus 3, 4 minus 12, minus 8. Therefore first four terms of AP will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. Now fourth one, it is said A equal to minus 1, D equal to 1 by 2. So A1 will be minus 1, A2 will be minus 1 plus half, that is minus 2 plus 1 upon 2, minus 1 by 2. A3 will be minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, so 2 cancel, so minus 1 plus 1, so 0. A4 is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, so that is minus 1 plus 3 by 2, minus 2 plus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So I can say therefore first four terms of AP minus 1, minus half, 0, half, and so on. The fifth one is A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. A1 will be minus 1.25, A2 will be A plus D, so that will be minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25, so that will be minus 1.50. A3 will be minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, So that will be minus 1.25 minus 0.50, so that is minus 1.75. A4 will be minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, so that will come to minus 2. Therefore, first four terms of AP are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus 2. Now, question third says for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So, first one is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. So, first term A equal to 3, common difference D equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. And it will continue in all the terms. If I find for all the terms, the difference will be same. Second is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. So, A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5. So, it will be minus 1 plus 5. So, 4. Third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So, A is 1 by 3, D is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So that is 4 by 3. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. See, here I am already given that the terms are in APs. Since I am directly finding, because we know in AP the difference is same. A equal to 0.6, D will be 1.7 minus 0.6, so 1.1. Now question 4 says which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay. So here first one is 2, 4, 8, 16. So A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16. So if I find common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, 2. A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, so that is 4. So see, difference is not coming same. So here only I can say, therefore it is not an AP. If it is not AP, I don't need to find A and D. But if it is an AP, I need to find that. So second one is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So D will be 5 by 2 minus 2. So that is 5 minus 4 by 2. So 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2. So this will be 6 minus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2. Then 7 by 2 minus 3. So 7 minus 6 by 2. 1 by 2. Therefore, it is an AP with common difference D equal to half. Next, 3 terms. See, till A4 I am given. So A5 will be A plus 4D. So A is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. So that will be 4. A6 will be A plus 5D, 2 plus 5 into half. So that is coming 9 by 2, and A7 A plus 6D, 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So that will be 5. Third one, minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2 and so on. So D is minus 3.2 minus 1.2. So that is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So that is minus 2. Then minus 5.2 minus 3 minus 2. Then minus 7.2 minus 5.2. So that is also coming minus 2. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to minus. Next three terms, A5 will be minus 7.2 minus 2, that is minus 9.2. A6 will be minus 9.2 minus 2, so that is minus 11.2. A7 will be minus 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. Now, fourth one. It says minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So D equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10. That will be 4. Here minus 2 minus of minus 6. That also will be 4. And 2 minus of minus 2. That also will be 4. Therefore, it is an AP with common difference D equal to 4. Next three terms, A5 will be 2 plus 4, 6. A6 is 6 plus 4, that is 10. A7, 10 plus 4, that is 14. Then fifth one, it says 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. So D equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3, that is root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, that is root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, that is root 2. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to root 2. Next three terms, A5 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 will be 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 will be 3 plus 6 root 2. Sixth one, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. So D equal to 0.22 minus 0.2, that is 0.02. 0.222 minus 0.22, that is 0.002. Therefore, it is not an AP. So I don't need to find next three terms. Now seventh one, it says 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, so on. So D equal to minus 4, minus 0, that is minus 4, minus 8, minus of minus 4, that will be also minus 4, minus 12, minus of minus 8, that also will be minus 4. So therefore it is an AP with common difference D equal to minus 4. Next three terms, A5 equal to minus 12 plus minus 4, that is minus 16. A6 will be minus 16 plus minus 4, that is minus 20. And A7 will be minus 20 plus minus 4, that is minus 24. Eighth one, minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, so on. So I can clearly see D will be 0. Therefore it is an AP with difference 0. So next three terms, A5 will be minus half, A6 will be minus half, A7 will be minus half. Then ninth one, 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. So D equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2, 9 minus 3, that is 6. So therefore it is not an AP, as D is not equal. 10th one, it says A, 2A, 3A, 4A, so on. So here D will be 2A minus A, that is A, 3A minus 2A, that is A, 4A minus 3A, that is A. Therefore it is an AP with D equal to A. Next three terms, A5 will be 4A plus A, that is 5A. A6 will be 5A plus A, 6A. A7 will be 6A plus A, that is 7. 11th one is root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so on. So D will be root 8 minus root 2. So root 8 I can write 2 root 2 minus root 2. So that will be root 2. Root 18 I can write as, if I take 9 outside, it will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So that will be root 2. Then root 32 minus root 18. So that also will come as root 2. So common difference is coming same. So therefore it is an AP with D equal to root 2. Next three terms, A5 will be 5 root 2, that is root 50. A6 will be 6 root 2, that is root 72. And A7 will be 7 root 2, that is root 90. 11th one is A square, A cube, A raised to 4, so on. So D will be A square minus A cube minus A square. So see, if I take common A, so A minus 1. Here if I take A square common, so A minus 1. So I can say it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 13th one, it says root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. So D will be root 6 minus root 3. So this, can I write it like this? See, root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So if I take root 3 common, so root 2 minus root 1, that is 1. Then root 9 minus root 6. So this will be root 3 minus root 2. Then root 12 minus root 9. Root 3 if I take common, root 4 minus root 3. That is root 3 into bracket root 4 will be 2 minus root 3. Therefore, it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 14th, it says 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Or this I can write as 1, 9, 25, 49 and so on. So D will be 9 minus 1, that is 8. 25 minus 9, that is 16. Therefore, it is not an AP as D is not equal. Then 15th, one square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So on. So this I can write as 1, 25, 49, 73, so on. So see, D will be 25 minus 1, that is 24. 49 minus 25, so that also is 24. 73 minus 49, so 24. Therefore, it is an AP with D equal to 24. Therefore, next three terms, A5 will be 73 plus 24, 97. A6 will be 97 plus 24, so 121. And A7 121 plus 24, so 145.